9 minutes till the close. Going over the trades on the day. We had equity peaks 2 days ago. Last 2 days have been choppy, extremely choppy. A lot of blasts in the market, I guess you could say, rallies and pullbacks, and so it looks a little toppy here. The market is determined. I've never seen the stock market be so determined to look absolutely perfect every single day, especially the Nasdaq. They come back every day. So let's go over the trades. Minus 625 on Cobra 3 yesterday. We were long. The market went down today. The market like it was going to do a normal pullback, and it's reversed. The ES is reversed. The Nasdaq reversed all the way and made new highs. So gap up. Time for some profit taking. Time for a little bit of a pullback. Nasdaq won't have it. Rallies all the way up to new highs. So pretty extreme price action. Minus 625 on Cobra 3 E-mini Nasdaq. Adaptive moving average is one of the top strategies for catching these wild swings. It doesn't do as well in narrow swings or choppy markets, but today went long, reversed to short, now it reversed to long, plus 1700. This is the highlight of the day. You know, when you think of catching markets with wide swinging ranges, you think about support and resistance and pivot points, but adaptive moving average does a little bit different. It waits for the market to start moving in that direction. It's pretty quick getting in. It's not catching the lows, but it's catching the move off the lows for these longs, catching the moves off the highs for the shorts. And so, highlight of the day so far, 7 minutes left in the day, adaptive moving average. And overall, the ES strategies are actually up on the day. Yeah, plus 475 on stock index swing in Q. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades in a row. They're winners on this after a losing streak it previously had. So in this workspace, not bad. Plus 475, plus 1700, and then minus 625 and minus 625. So let's go to All Strategy Access 2, AT 2019. It's been short all day after the first 15 minutes, plus 775. And you see just this extreme comebacks no matter what. And tick pulsing Q got short into this sell-off, and minus 625. And AT 2020 NQ got short. The market rallied, and we needed a bigger stop loss today. But then the market rallied even off of the lows. You know, this happens around 11:30. So if they're gonna make an effort to save it, to save the market and save face on a sell-off, 11:30 can be one time a day where Europe closes that they come in and try to prop it up, push it higher. Tick count trending Q, one winner, one loser. Nice short there, and got another short here. The market remains strong, has remained strong all day, sitting up near the highs on what typically would have been a day where there would have been a normal pullback. And these strategies, these kind of days make for the most challenging days because the market goes up slowly, and then when it sells off hard, stops out the longs, stops out the shorts on the reversal. So we endure some of those days at times. SR counter trend 2V to 1M, 5M, and 15M, as well as the SR counter trend 2 in Q, were all stopped out trying to capture this dip because the dip was much larger today. All Strategy Access 3, Kobe Euro 4, minus 625. SR counter trend 2 gold, minus 825. SR counter trend 2 silver, minus 825. These are examples of markets that they go up, and then when there's a pullback, they don't usually when they've gone up this much, they don't usually pull back this much, and so we're getting these V movements and less wave movements right now. SR counter trend 2, like we said, minus 825. Asia Gold 4 short, minus 525. SR counter trend 4 silver, plus 475. SR counter trend 2 soybeans. That was from yesterday's trade. This is kind of a equity plot that carries over. No trades today on soybeans. SR counter trend or All Strategy Access 4. Cobra Crude aggressive, minus 315. And then we had a couple of winners. SR counter trend 3, A and B on gold, plus 475. SR counter trend 3, natural gas, minus 445 today, stopped out Part of that loss was yesterday. The rest of the loss was today. Cover gold minus 625. All strategy X is 5. We had 3 losses on S&P counter trend 2, V2M, 1M, 5M, and 15M in silver. Sloppy day, minus 825 on all 3 of those. All strategy X has 6. We had a 60-minute breakout. It reversed to the long side, had a profit target, took a short trade, had a profit target, and the last 2 short trades were stopped out. So minus 25 during the session on this strategy. Market just continues to fight back any selling, and like I said, there's, you know, if you're a bull, it's okay for the market to have pullbacks. This is such a tightly wound market that you know, it's almost as if they want to make it look perfect, as if the market's supposed to go up every single day and never have a pullback, much like a fixed income investment. So very interesting the way this market continues to just be so determined to keep the bid at the highs and not pull back. And so that's the update on the day. The trades on the day, very sloppy, challenging day. Like I said 2 days ago, we made equity peaks in most of the portfolios, and the last couple of days have been pretty sloppy, choppy, and especially the metals. The stock indexes were not too bad. We're actually up on the day on the E-mini S&P. The E-mini S&P strategies are up on the day. Nasdaq is down, and the metals were challenging.